We started. All right. Hello, good morning. Welcome. Welcome to 5 Minute Feldy, a mini Feldenkrais movement lesson coming to you from, it's the Queen's birthday holiday here in Melbourne, a funny sort of institution, and it's a nice sunny day. So please make yourself comfortable. Do whatever you need to do just to settle and find a way to just sort of be still. Maybe take a breath or two. And pay attention to how you're feeling right now. And in particular, pay attention to how your eyes are. You could even close your eyes for a moment, just to sense how your eyes. And then you can open them again if you like. And pay attention to your mouth, your jaw. How much room is there in your mouth? Are the teeth touching? How much space is there between the teeth if they're not touching? And do you think, as you sense your jaw, do you think your chin is right in the middle, or is your lower jaw just in resting slightly to one side or the other? And now please try moving your jaw, just let it open a little bit and move it side to side, just open slightly. And just a little bit, slide the jaw side to side to feel how it moves, feel what it's like to move side to side. Okay, and leave that. And now, could you in particular open the jaw slightly and have it travel to the right? And back again. Do that a few times. Have your jaw sliding over to the right. So it's slightly open and it travels over to the right, a comfortable amount, and then come back. Just make sure all these movements are perfectly comfortable and easy. Just slide sideways and come back. Now, as you do that, notice what your eyes do. Where do your eyes go as your jaw slides to the right? Jaw slide to the right, come back and observe your eyes. Okay, now leave that. Rest a moment. And please take your eyes side to side. Just have the eyes look left and right a little bit, just to remind you of how your eyes can move easily side to side. Okay, and now could you take your jaw and your eyes to the right? So a few times, slide the jaw to the right, and as you do so, look to the right as well, which is sort of a natural thing to go the same way. Okay, and after you've tried that a few times, let's have the eyes go the opposite way. Slide the jaw to the right, but take your eyes to the left, which might be a bit tricky. I found I really had to think about that, which is the idea in all these Feldenkrais movements, that we think about how we're moving. So please do that opposite thing. Slide the jaw easily to the right and take your eyes to the left, and return and do that a few times. Okay, then have a rest. Now, let's help with the hand. Could you use your hand just to gently let the jaw hang open slightly and have the jaw travel to the right, and guide it with your hands. Just very gently. It's like your hands are giving you a little hint that to help the jaws travel smoothly to the right and back again. And as you do that, maybe notice your eyes. What do your eyes want to do? Okay, and that'll do. Have a rest and come back to simply observing yourself. How do you feel right now? How do your eyes feel? Notice your mouth. How much room is there in the mouth? Are the teeth touching? And where do you think your chin is relative to the center? And to finish, just do a few little movements of the jaw. Move the jaw around a little bit to notice how it's moving now. And that'll do. Another time you might like to try doing the same sorts of explorations, moving the jaw to the left. Tomorrow we'll play around a bit more. We might try seeing if the upper jaw can move opposite to the lower jaw. But let's see what we'll do tomorrow. But in the meantime, please have a good day and hope to see you soon. Bye.